Kwa catch me butu kura na campaign di wachi. Fuck off baby. Asin poche. Fuck off. Okasa mu chiriti ya on. Obi ani wo chiri ni psasiri.
Ebusia ye nyina ye nim se eye Queen Afia Schwarzenegger de ne support de ye beto aba ni nyina ode ma eye NPP ene Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Ene wiye yi de Afia Schwarzenegger ba na Leaked Akufo Addo His Excellency ana waso asimi so ne nsema wo kanyina ne se wo hwehwe nipa bonini wo hwehwe obi a ne tirimu yesum na wo hia na Leaked wachi.
Ni ekwa election na certain president etimi akache sponsors say I don't want Bawumia to win. After my hammer for 4 years pay so that I can operate from there. Onyamini mundi wate. Onyamini mundi anope wiani enumere na mekem na minkosko na nyamin chiamoka. 2 days to election what to petrol. I didn't understand it. But now that I know what I know. Now that I know what I know, Nana, we any power bonny ni, I'm for she a BH moi, we any power bonny ni fuck off.
Aha, let's talk GH rumors and any first time I pop into a video. Make sure to subscribe. I know I click a notification bell to say there any upload we be and sabi to me aka. No share am for share your Facebook as Let's Talk GH rumors and your TikTok as Let's Talk GH. Make sure to follow these pages. Eddie among. Afia Schwarzenegger there. Just a would himself was so soon or cast a woody pass me with the many swa or no be Eddie aquari. Ye near the union name so ye NDC ni a one or sachet Eddie by MPP. Se si adie o se Leaked Akufo Addo ka ho bi ana eye Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia anwe ni aba no na Leaked tirimu po ene se wodi ni kromu ni ebeba be president ene ensem de secret upon secret ana sister Afia e de aba abonten
Fucking day you ever drop authentic news evidence correspondence na you best start here free here it is starting from the house me start here free me fear I me start here free me fear Menya president audio me born on TikTok. Remember on my YouTube page. And all those are capping my strike girl. Sure. Tem for ye mamon say party no. Modi a monko. Modi a then girl away. A drew slim for. MPP party ye mo be answer no. MPP party no. Ye mo be answer no. And listen. What will not happen is Yamobia and you see Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Bawumia will be the president of Ghana. Nanado, whether you like it or yes. It is it because me now. Say me names I will see young position. Ne project will boy no. Ye if any power will feel at him ho. Babe contested Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Your plans was said on Mahama 4 years a pair. And Tianko now opposition. Ne project boy no. Nanado. What was that transfer be the free G to G or buy no? What was that cabina Senator Tokumbo de Bremono? Senator Tokumbo me one number. Sassy kana Senator Tokumbo de buy no. Me what? More. On the 5th of January, political police is back. On the 5th of January, catch when you say political police is back. On the 5th of January, political police is back. On the 5th of January, political police is back. It's back. The bitch is back. The bitch is back. The bitch is back. Nyane, makwaku nyane, nyane abuebi awoda baby. Mumu de audio command Nigeria for catch on say me blackmailer. Nanko we scan ma me bi ni anka me blackmailer. If that was the case, say we scan na macho. Oh, the audio command omo. She is a black. I'm not a blackmailer. You should tell them that I'm a loud mouth and that they meaning no mabeka. That is what you should tell them. I don't know was a moka. Blackmailer they mean bi. Minyebi. Obi anywhere, oye nyame aduma o so obi blackmailing na. Konfo. Me say party no yemfa nana won't now opposition control afenyamakin will never be the minority leader. No, central region or more 4 seats, they cannot detect what we do. Me say abonye monsore party chairmen monsore won't to me no one kasa but sorry chairman won't to me sorry my Ashanti region sorry my dear my party way or my party na dear kwa minimum near kwa election na certain president Leaked sponsors say I don't want Bawumia to win. I've thrown my hammer for 4 years so that I can operate from there. Onyamini mundi wate onyamini mundi anopa wiani enumre na mekem na minkosko na nyamin tuamoka nyamini mundi moma fa afenyoma ake no all because Bawumia kobre ne ho ase amakofo and be anything attached to Kofo. And how do you hate it? You hate Kofo to the extent that anything attached to Kofo you hate it. And it's about Bawumia aligning to Kofo dia and ya mo be sabotage no mo ye wiase die nyina no final straw 2 days to election what to petrol. I didn't understand it, but now that I know what I know, Nana, we any power bonny ni amfo she e biachi moa we any power bonny ni fuck off. Any power bonny ni we any power bonny ni we me me ma hoti kroma e ko school me different whole semester e dey tiem 3 SHOs or 3 SHOs. Now say who was secondary plan? You have your plans, Anado. You have your plans. You did have your plans. Oh, yeah, but now opposition. I'm what be opposition leader, Miare. Well, what retire? Go and sit down. A lot of foreigners who fear no France, no. Obekwa ko tinema momare. Almost me nganjiro. A lot of foreigners. Almost me nganjo so who fear no southern France, no. My memo location. Almost who fear no southern France, no. Nipa na okache ne say omra no meje presidential handshake no medium nipa ko nanado nipa na wo ma wuska no a okache ne say wo meje presidential handshake no sa nipa kro no ese me kan kire wo say you will go and live in that house in southern France for you to know me patro Nigeria there me campo you can't go and destroy me there. My network in that Nigeria is so solid. That's what it is. Na mo kwa mo yamo nhemo say Afia Schwarzenegger nti say minim go when you not fear me. You are still not scared of me. Mo sa akose me ko ka chenis o ka cho mo say me blackmail na mo MB before mo ni me chen wo. Do you know me more than the Nigerians? Do you? For the love of God, me baby o mo na friend me say akpia. Someone from you, Akpia, come and see what your president has done. Come and see what your president has done. Nigeria found a friend me. So you can't even go back and tell them I'm a blackmailer. I am not blackmailing you. But the minimum Babeka. Akpia will say it. Nanado, the Odia ye NPP no, me babeka. What boy a bro? You can't go and spoil me. Do you think they don't know I'm a mad girl? They know. How many me Nanado? Me baby I'm a cobia me so by NCO. Senators, no money me my border. How many me? They know. They know so say fear to first one made me. They know. And they will catch on now, so they are coming to tell me. Nanado, you are fucking the party up and we will not allow you. Nanado, after no man can minority leader that. Nobody from the central region will do that. After no man will not be the minority leader. And you people cannot wash me black to the Nigerians because they, you know what they say? They say you are like an Igbo girl. Do you know my Nigerian name? They call me Chinyere. Chinyere. Go and Google it. Honestly, you forget about the things you are saying. Fuck all of you. And I even and I'm when I'm catching for and on baby kuno on me kumi and come kumi that minimum for years. On me kumia and come kumi that. I'm telling you, Nanado. Telling you. I'm telling you. Afia won't be minority leader. NPP will not go to that James Cockott. Nanado, the only godfather we have is President J. Akufo. And to the godfather na Kenya, aya, China Akufo and Onya wuye de nana. Go and sit down. Go and sit down. Go and sit down. Akufo Addo. Unyuma yina de dio. Akufo Addo. Go and sit down. Go and sit down. Akufo Addo. Unyuma yina de dio. Go and sit down. I don't want Bawumia to be the president. Would say so. You will bring that to your boy. We are waiting. American University, we waiting. We waiting. Go and bring that boy. Boy now work for the Sawadene Baba the MPP so na yet train. And also Kwasi, I don't come to Ghana. I'm sorry, I'm coming to Ghana on Tuesday. Maybe this inauguration. Don't come to, I'm coming to Ghana on Tuesday. Let's see what you can do. I am coming to Ghana with my futures. Don't come to Ghana. Says who? Oh, he ain't about a single room. Oh, mammy, who fin, Sapena Bini. Oh, mammy, who fin to send me by the penany Bini. Crasiniba. Ya warn him. Ya warn him. And the word is warn. Yamfa party me march him for. Asante for Monty means sidelining. Party me yamfa march him for. Asante for moon sidelining. After no marking central region. Now for no marking on minority leader Papa Benoye. Minority leader Papa Benoye. Yamfa party in Shamusa. Yamfa party no. And Shamusa. I don't want Bawumia to come so that I can, after 4 years, I can project my boy. Or catch them able to another. If that one Bawumia to come, then I can project your boy. Fellow Ghanaian, or catch them able to, or catch them able to. Come and project that boy, let's see. Come and project that boy, let's see how you project that boy. Come and project it. You don't want Bawumia to come so that you bring your boy. Come and project that boy, let's see. Let's see. Come and project that boy so that we will see. Come and project it. So we are here, we will see that you come and project your boy. And that les gens them pay the can't pay the Jimmy and Tiano. Come and project that boy. Okay, my baby, say Boswa. Come and project that boy so that we will see. We will see how you project that boy. And you see how you make up and marking the minority leader of parliament after doing all this to us. I bought them, I say. I bought them, I say. Fellow Ghanaian, I bought them. I say them, what's the announcement? Come and project that boy so that we see. We'll see ya. We're sitting here waiting for you to come and tell us what to do with the NPP. We're here waiting for you to come and tell us that the NPP will now become the Atim Mafia girl. We're waiting for you. The money you're selling, you will eat it and die. No power coming to your family again because you're a very wicked man. Especially the wolf for Yatana. Come and project that boy. Or catch a macaque like Casaboswa. Come and project him. The Mahama is got only 4 years. So if Aliko will give the money, if he give the money to John and then after 3 years, I think, bring your boy and let's see. Bring your boy and let's see. Bring your boy and let's see. Nanado. Come and project that boy and let's see. And let's see how Afia will come the minority leader in parliament. We are waiting for you. Fellow Ghanaians. They just pay the day. She can't pay the day. Unsem hunu. Ukwa kache mebutu kurani ya campaign di wechi. Fuck off, baby. As simple impoche. Fuck off. Ukase muchiriti ya on. Ubia ni wo chiri ni trasiri. Me kachira mo. Everybody is above ni trasiri. Me mami ye cha wonye me 11 months. So me kachira me mami ye cha ni trasiri ya. Nanado. Enye wuni trasiri. O papa na ni trasiri. Na o papa be mafia ye. Onso ba ya o mafia ye. O ye ya o go party na. And the akosa wo petition so that you forget your boys. Nanado ma be tewate.
Busiana chese de Afia Schwarzenegger no say no kwese nye no kwe was what the more secrets ebe bantimi di mani ebe di atwe secrets bi obedrop bia me de ebe bro na me ka wo say any comment bi a won so obetimi eja wo comment section wo e de mama your Facebook as Let's Talk GH Rumors and your TikTok as Let's Talk GH. Make sure say we follow these pages e de mama me din e de na Leaked asantwa makram.